Guys, welcome back guys for iOS development tutorial with Swift 3. In this lecture I'll teach you what are data types. So data types data types is used to hold the different type of data depending on the your requirement. It is of four types mainly. These are of four types: integers, string, doubles, and booleans. So I will so let's start. First of all, you will give the variables declarations and give the name like integer, and then your type int and equal to whatever number you want to store in this. This is how you will actually declare integer. You need to take care about this. Give if you declare something like this, you have to give some space between type and equal to, because I don't know why, but it show compiler error if you don't do so. This is the integer declarations. If you want to declare any string, then where string name string name equal to, you will declare a string then equal to hello. Hello, how are you? That's it. This is how you can declare strings here. You can give semicolon, or otherwise you can leave it. It is optional. But in my case, I prefer to give semicolon because of I also use C sharp. So in C sharp or in any other programming language, you have to terminate your string something like this. So this is, if you want to print this, then you can print as well by using this method: print string name variable, and that's it. This is how you will print, and the result will be show here. If you don't print, then it's directly also showing here. But if you want to print your data, then you can print also integer variable as well. Print integer as well. So here it is. Then it's printing 10 here in console window. And if you want to hide the console window, then you can use this toggle button. Okay, let's discuss about something about double. So how you can declare double variables? You can simply declare double variables some similar like this. Suppose you want to declare x variable, then you can just define doubles, dou doubles, and then equal to and what 2.4. Let's give this value. Yes, it's double value. So floating points comes under doubles in Swift. You have to declare doubles and to declare floating points. Here it is. These are the floating number or decimal number. And fourth type is actually Boolean. So you can also declare Boolean as well. Some similar like this: bool bool variable. So BOOL. So if you want to declare boolean, then you need to declare bool equal to true or false. Might be true, or you can give it a value of false. So that's it. If you want to actually interpolation, string interpolation, so you can I'm gonna tell you now what is string interpolation. Suppose we want to print this and this together. So how you will actually print? So you can print something like this, print and something like this. You can just give a forward slash and then your string name and you can forward slash and you have to give integer and print. This is how you can actually, I think, what is saying. Okay, that's how actually you can. Hello, you. So it's printing here. Hello, how are you? And then it's concatenating 10 as well. So this is how you can actually print concatenate two variables in Swift. So now I'm gonna take a look a bit into actually constant. What are constant? Constant. Uh, Constant is actually is used to hold the data, but it doesn't change. Once you declare it, you can't actually change the value of constant. Suppose I'm gonna declare a constant here. Let my constant of type integer equal to 20. You have to give a space here. So 20. So as we have declared integer here of variable type. So if you want to give, if you want to change the value of integer, then you can easily change the value of integer something like this. Directly you can change it. If it has 10 value, but if you want to change it to 20, then you can directly assign to it 20. There is no problems, no problem. Compile, it will compile happily. But suppose if you want to change constant value, then let's do it also. My constant equal to 30. See, see what's happening here. It's complaining. It's complaining, and what is saying that can't assign to value my constant is a let constant. Fix it change let to where to make it mutable. Yeah, he's saying that if you want to really change the value of this constant, then you can declare it let or variable, sorry, where. Don't use it let. if you will use it let, then its value can't be changed, it's immutable. But if you want to make it mutable and you want to make it change in the value of this variable in future, if then you give it where. As soon as I'm giving where, this will compile happily and there will not be any problem at all. Yeah, the error has gone. So this is the major difference between actually where and let. Let is used for constant, whereas where is used for variables. You can change the value of where variables, but you can't change the value of let. Now I'm going to give you something, a brief overview of, let's make some space. Overview of operator. What are operators? Suppose I want to increase the value of my constant or you can say my integer by 1. So I can increment it something like this: int integer plus equal to 1 or 2, as many as I want. Now its value 22, but before this it was, previously it was I think 20. I have add it to 2 as well, then it's make it to 22. Now similarly I can actually deduct the number from this as well, decrement it as well. Integer minus equal to 5. Let's see now what will happen. Yes, it's made it 17. If you deduct 5 from 22, it will be 17. Okay, and so now if you want to multiply, then you can multiply as well. Integer star equal to 2, and see what's happening here. 17 into 2 is 34. It's multiplying. And if you want to actually divide as well, so integer slash equal to 2, then it will divide as well. It's 17 now, or you can divide it by 17, then it will be 2. Yes, it's dividing. So you can use these operator as well. So these are the basic operator: plus, minus, and multiply and divide. How you will use these? These are the actually. So guys, thank you for watching these tutorials. I'm gonna stop here and I will make because it's going too long, so I'm gonna stop it. Thank you guys. Like my If you like this video, then please hit thumbs up and subscribe my channel for the futures video. As soon as I will upload new video, you will get notifications. So please subscribe, it's free, there is no charge of it. And thank you guys to see this video as well.